Introducing the 2023 Land Rover Defender. Be eager for the next adventure in this iconic Land Rover Defender, the premium go-anywhere vehicle that's purposeful, durable, immensely capable, and indulges you with luxurious, modern, utilitarian chic comforts and conveniences. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: navigation system, heated mirrors, fog lamps, four-wheel drive, tire pressure monitoring system, dual zone AC, Bluetooth connection, heated front seat, leather steering wheel, stability control. Explore your world boldly and beautifully in this distinctive Land Rover Defender. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.